gonna go in there, bud? Really? What the hell is this? Can we skate here? You gonna do it? Oh, there's a hole there. You can come down that way and jump off that thing. What the hell? Where are we now? Yeah, he does take us to some interesting spots, that's for sure. Let's go in there and see what he's doing, what kind of noise he's making. Go across this little bridgey thing again, whatever the hell this thing is for. Then go up this ramp thing that's over here. And do a little exploding. Oh my god, what is this? Like a haunted house in here. Thank you for Homestead Tomato. Oh yeah? Hey, I'm about to go clock in. I'll see you later. I gotta clock in. Hello? Boss, I'm here. Oh, sorry, boss. Boss. Oh, sorry, boss. Oh, boss, I'm sorry. Hello? Oh, it's a dead end. Go back, go back. This is the boss. Boss is not here today. The boss is not here. Oops. Sorry, boss. Oops. Dude, I'm literally sliding my bike out of here. Boss ain't here today. Where the hell is he at? Boss! Get your ass out here. We gotta talk. No, it's me. Pues yo que cogí un gabinete y hice Can't leave without getting a drift. Whoa, grips a little bit too much here. Alright, maybe not. I don't know, it's a weird grippy feeling. Just hit this thing and just jump right off. I don't know, the boss is not here today. So I'll clock in tomorrow. I'll tell him I'll be there tomorrow. Maybe the boss is over here. Let's go see where the boss is at. Boss, you in here, bro? We gotta talk. No, he's not here. Very nice. Whoop. All right, that works. My poor bike is seeing better days today. Boss, I'm calling in sick. I ain't working today. And yet, I was on the way home. We stopped at that bar. We had a bite to eat. And somehow, still magically, he found another trail on the way home. I had no idea how he did it. Leaf, you're a madman. You put on the high beams.